Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la.
Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. I am doing really good with this 12 days of Vlogmas this year. I hope I just did not jinx it, but yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I gotta go to work. I'm actually running late, but that's okay. I will show you the studio because I know yesterday I said that I was going to, and then I just lost track of time. So just wanted to bring you along on a normal work day. I feel really weird doing this, and I don't know why I'm talking so quiet because there's nobody here, but I will show you it right now. We're gonna change out the Christmas stuff, and this is what it's gonna look like. And then we got the 3 cameras. There's 1, 2, and 3, and then we also have 2 Mac computers. One is for the live stream, and then one is for ProPresenter, which basically, like, you can, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but basically ProPresenter, it has like a bunch of slides on it, and you can add it to the live stream or to those 2 TVs up there. But yeah, this is the studio. Okay, so I have to take down like all this Christmas stuff down here. Just got done. Yeah, so this is actually what it looks like with like all the lights and stuff. So we have the lights, and then these things are for like sound, like to sound barrier thing, so it doesn't make it so echoey. And that's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna pick up all my stuff and go to my parents' house, and yeah, so come along with me. Tripod downstairs in my car, so I'm using my phone tripod for this, and it has my big camera on it, and I'm like, oh, I don't want it to break. But we are here for day 4 of the Advent calendar. Hold on. Hey, there's nothing in there. What the heck? Okay, so back to the Advent calendar. Now I know I fixed it. Day 4 of the Advent calendar is Hydrating Rose and Charcoal Lip Mask. It's just put it on your lips. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hilarious. I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for a brand new Vlogmas day 5.